We have a new arrival today at Westport Auto Center. This is a stunning 1971 Dodge Charger RT, finished in the correct Hemi Orange. Nice car. 440 Magnum, 370 horse, black interior, bucket seat, center console, chin spoiler, rear spoiler, power disc brakes, power steering, ice cold factory AC. Nice car. We'll point out some of the flaws that we found on the car. A few little chips, a few little scratches. You know, all cars have flaws. You'll find all these pictures at www.westportautocenter.com, www.westportautocenter.com. We're in Fenton, Missouri, suburbs of St. Louis. If you'd like to fly in, we're more than happy to pick you up at the airport. Just forward us your itinerary, flying to St. Louis International, Lambert International. More than happy to pick you up, take you to any one of our 3 warehouses. We'll take the car out for a ride, put it up on a lift, make sure it's a good fit. So, nice car. There's a little chip there. We do have the correct paint. We'll get that touched up. There's a little imperfection in the decal there. There you got your WS. Let you know it's a real RT car. You got a few little bugs on the front of this, but we have some better touch-up paint that's touched up prior to us. We'll take care of that. And we got another little one right there. Again, you would need financing. You know, you do not need all the money. We have financing available. Great rates, good terms. You know, credit's king. So you do need to have good credit. 10% down is usually the magic number. Package tray's in great condition. Top is as well. Good solid. Dash has 2 small cracks right there. Appears to be the original dash on the car as well. I believe these are the original door panels. Car shows well. It's not a 100-point show car, but it does show well. Nice car, called a very nice driver. Runs out fantastic. Again, there's your belt. Dome light. Interior's in good shape. Small little chip there, and we'll touch that up. Somebody's touched it up already, but we'll do a better job. You have good rich radial TAs. And there's a chip right there, right there. A little bit on that door edge right there. Take a look in the engine compartment, fire it up, and we'll take it for a ride. Got the T handle for the shifter. Got the 440 Magnum. Upgraded air compressor, AC compressor, I should say. Aluminum radiator. Nice car. There's the fender tag. Go ahead and fire that up. Love this color combination. Great running car. Take this for a spin. On. Whoa. Got a little pep to her. Good running car. Let's get the 323 sheer grip rear end. So, you know, highway, around town, good gears all around. And if you need financing, go to our website, www.westportautocenter. Click the financing. There's 3 links: Woodside Credit, Clarkson Car Lending, and JJ Best. Ice cold air. All the gauges work. Horn works. Pick up the phone, call 314-346-6039. My name is Mark. We have answered your questions. www.westportautocenter.com. You'll see a bunch of pictures of this vehicle online. Again, if you would like to fly in, check it out, forward us your itinerary, we'd be more than happy to pick you up, take you to and from the airport if you can't make it. If you want to send somebody out, we welcome inspections as well. Pick them up from the airport, or you can hire them locally. And www.westportautocenter.com. 1971 Dodge Charger RT, real deal. Thanks for watching.